Okay, welcome to another episode of Friday Cocktails. Woohoo. National Days around the corner. Monday, public holiday. So today I'm going to make a triple C classic club cocktail.
No, it's not.
Then,
It's a classic clover.
oh shit,
Club.
classic clover cocktail. So beep the shit out later, okay? And all you need for this classic clover cocktail is gin, Grenadine, fresh lemon juice, and egg white, optional, yeah? So start with your shaker. 3 ounces of gin,
That's a lot of gin.
yeah, man.
You finished the bottle. Time to
I,
make a
finish the
bottle lamp.
bottle lah.
Time to make a bottle lamp.
Bottle lamp coming soon. Akan datang.
Hashtag.
Project ETM. Share, like below. Then you need your Grenadine, 3/4 of an ounce. Grenadine is it's not the same as rose syrup, so don't get confused there. And 1 ounce lemon juice. And you add in 1 egg white, only the white of the egg, yeah. And you dry shake it for about 15 seconds just to get the foam in it, 15 seconds. Okay, I think that's about it. Then look at the foam. Now you need to add in the ice. Chotomate. So I'm back with the ice. Add in the ice. And you shake it again for 30 seconds. This is to chill the drink up. Alright, and you strain it. And then zoom in, come, zoom in. Take it from the side.
Oh, it's pink.
It's a pink drink. And I've made a special garnish for it with the Singapore flag. And there you go. Happy National Day, Singapore.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh, I like this.